In 1902, Paden City was an industrial town.
On our very spot we're talking about, there was a mini steel mill here, there was a big lumber mill, and the clay deposits around here really made it easy for the Paden City pottery to start up.
This park was purchased by the city in 1962.
This is a testament to civic pride and coming together.
By 1968, there were volunteers that built the swimming pool. This community, the things that are done in it are done in a team way. Paden City Park is the community's gathering spot.
There's a lot of people who love the park, but they want to make it better.
The improvements that Paden City Park has scheduled for the coming years are essential to the continued growth and usage of this park. This is the heart of Paden City.
We've just got some new playground equipment. They're refurbishing the basketball court here. We have almost a 2-mile walking trail, and you can kind of do some laps if you want, or just meet friends and talk.
Our high school baseball is played in this park. Our high school softball is played in this park. The Little Leagues have 3 fields that they play. Our boat ramp provides an access point to the Ohio River and parking for many boats.
We are in the process of bringing pickleball in. We're gonna resurface the court, have the nets, the fence, everything all set for the next season. There's a lot of new improved projects on the slate for Paden City Park that I think will be a great improvement.
Future for me is to develop this park and utilize it. This is our city asset.
I'm hopeful that we can get things all fixed up and this park can still be one of the best parks in the Ohio Valley.
Our job right now is to just further develop the 25 acres we have right here, and then with the eye to the future, we want to work on the 25 acres below.
This park is a gem in the crown of Paden City.